Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is SOQL. SOQL stands for Salesforce Object Query Language, used to query data from Salesforce objects. It is similar to SQL, standard query language. It is used to return a set of data from Apex and Visualforce. SOQL fetch data from S objects that can be standard object or custom object. Standard objects are the objects what is provided by Salesforce, and the custom object is the object what we are going to create as per our business requirement. It can also fetch data from related objects, that is from parent to child or from child to parent. It will return result in the form of list, set or map. It can return 50k records in a single call. Syntax: select field list. So how many fields we are going to provide? We have to put over here from object name. Object name may be a standard object what Salesforce is providing, and custom object what we are created as per our business requirement. But only one object we have to provide here, where condition expression, order by, field list, that can be ascending or descending, limit, number of records, what the number of records we need. So example, display name phone from account. So for this we have to write the query select name phone from account. Basic query: query to retrieve fields from account object. So for retrieving the fields from account object, we have to write the query list of account acc list equals to select id name phone from account. Here we are going to provide the field names. It can be increase, it can be decrease, and from then here we are going to provide the object name, that may be standard or may be custom. Query with where clause: query to retrieve accounts with specific criteria. So list of account acc list equals to select id name from account where industry equals to technology. So if we need a filter like industries should be banking or industries should be technology, that records we need, means based on criteria. In that condition we are going to write the query in this way. Query with order by clause: query to retrieve accounts ordered by their name. List of account acc list equals to select id name from account order by name ascending. So here we are providing the name field, and that name should be in ascending order. So asc is for ascending order. If we need descending, so here we have to provide desc. So for it is going to display in descending order. Query with limit clause: query to retrieve a limited number of accounts. List of account acc list equals to select id name from account limit to So here it is going to display the data, two records. So if we need like 100 of records, we have to provide 100, or we need only one record, we are going to give here value 1, means limit 1, it is going to display one record. Query with offset clause, query to retrieve accounts after a particular number. So list of account ACC list equals to select ID name from account offset 5. It means it is going to display the record after fifth number. Query with like operator, query to retrieve compare string value from the account's name. So we have to write list of account ACC list equals to select ID name from account where name like in single quotes B, and then we have to put the mod symbol, bracket close, semicolon. Query with relationship fields, query to retrieve related data, contacts related to the account. So we have to write the query list of account ACC list equals to select ID name, again in bracket select ID first name last name from contacts S from account. So let's see the example for all the queries. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. So click on setup, developer console, right click, open link in new tab. So here I had written all the queries in Apex class from the PPT. So by this slash and asterisk mark, we are making the comment, and at the end also we have to provide. So this all the queries are written in a comment. So first we are going to see display name phone from account. So copy this, just click on this, click on query editor and paste over here. Select name phone from account. It is going to display from the account name and phone. Click execute. So here we are seeing the values 28 accounts are there, and here name and here phone from the account object. Next query is query to retrieve fields from account object. Open execute anonymous window. So list of account ACC list equals to select ID name phone from account, and to display the value need to write system.debug result. It is going to display as it is. Then this variable we have to provide after plus, put the semicolon, click execute, debug only. So we are getting number of values. Next we are going to see query to retrieve accounts with specific criteria. So for the criteria, again just going to execute anonymous window. So here I had taken industry equals to technology. So let's execute. Debug only. So in the technology there is no records. So just make one record as technology. So search for accounts, click accounts. So this is a record, click details. So this record I am making as industry technology. Save. So again I am just going to query, execute. So now it should have to display a value. So now we are getting the value Aman, and this is technology industry. So next query, retrieve account ordered by their name. So debug, execute anonymous window, and here we are providing the value order by name ascending. So it is going to display by the name in ascending order. Debug only. So here we are seeing first A value, A, then again A value, A, then B value is there. Like this we are going to see A to Z, D. Next query is query to retrieve a limited number of accounts. So here I am going to see only two account records. So I am providing here limit 2, execute, debug only. So now we are getting only two records, demo account and process builder test 2 account. Next query to retrieve accounts after a particular number. So here it is going to display after fifth value. So before this just execute this query, select a name phone from account, execute. So total number of records is 28, and if it is going to display the record after 5, then it is going to display only 23 records. So now come to open execute anonymous window and execute this, debug only. So here we are getting 23 values. As there are 28 values, so here I am providing 27. So it should have to display only one value, execute, debug only. So we are getting only one value. Next query to retrieve compare string value from the account name. Debug, execute anonymous window. So where name like B, execute. So we have a value by Burlington. So next, query to retrieve related data, contacts related to account. So debug, execute anonymous window. So list of account, ACC list, select ID name. Again in bracket, select ID, first name, last name from contacts, from account. So execute. So we are seeing here account ID, name, demo account. So like this we are writing the SOQL queries. Thank you.